Good afternoon, everybody. Just want to do a quick review on a product. It's a 2020 pumpsaway swimming pool cover pump. I've got it right here. This is the product, and this is made to pump the water off of your swimming pool cover. So you cover your pool for winter time. Rain comes and you get water on top of it. What do? You get one of these right here. Now this model number is going to be AC 68489BBX, 120 volt. Hook a garden hose to this side, take the pump, put it down in the water, plug it in, and it'll pump the water off of it for you. Now let me go ahead and tell you, this is a PRO-800 and supposed to pump 800 gallons per hour. It's not going to do it. I get approximately 150 gallons per hour with this one. So when we have a moderate rain, it may take 2 or 3 hours to pump the water off, but it will do it and doesn't give any problems. It has an auto shut off, so when the pump has pumped out down to only 1/8 of an inch left, it will automatically shut off. If it rains again, it'll come back on. So that's it. I just wanted to show it to you. There is a filter in it. You pinch this bottom part, it comes off. Have a filter right here. You can wash that out because it does get dirty. I've washed it probably about 3 times over the winter time and up till now when I'm opening my pool. That just snaps back on and it's ready to go. So, is the product worth the money? Not having tried any other ones, I'll say it works. And if you don't mind taking a few hours to pump the water, then go ahead and get this product. I got this one off Amazon. I'll leave a link below so that y'all can go to it and take a look. It's somewhere around the $59 to $60 mark, and it works for what I need. So if you're needing one, if you want to put about 60 bucks into it, that's what this one does. So hope I answered any questions you have. If you have any more questions, let me know, leave them below, and I'll try to get those answered for you. So, all right, well, y'all have a great day from the state of Georgia with all the peaches. See you later.